What do we want? What do we want? Internet media to fake. Show you resistance against Ethiopian government. We are. Loud and clear. We are. The victims of Ethiopian government. We are the victims of Ethiopian government. Whenever there's oppression, there's a resistance. No Ethiopia. Guys, please, we can only do it together. No Ethiopia. No Ethiopia. Without Oromia. Let them hear nice and clear. Let's go. No Ethiopia. Everybody on this side. No Ethiopia. Without Oromia. No Ethiopia. Without Jalal Muhammad. Let them hear. We promise Ethiopia. There's no Ethiopia without Jalal Muhammad, without Oromo people, without oppression people. Hold on. Abiy Ahmed.
Must go.
He's a killer. Abiy Ahmed.
Is a killer.
Abiy Ahmed is a liar.
The liar.
Abiy Ahmed is a terrorist. Abiy Ahmed is a fascist. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Together, my people, justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Together, there's nothing we cannot live in this world with, I promise. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. I tell you, justice for Hachalu Hundessa. What's his name? Hachalu Hundessa. What's his name? What's his name? I'm so getting the money though. What's his name? Say his name. Not the clear. What's his name? What's his name? Free. Everybody in this house right now, please. Go to the mic. Free.
Jawar Mohammed.
Let them hear it. Free.
Jawar Mohammed.
Free.
Jawar Mohammed.
Let's go. Everybody still on. Free. Our leaders. Free. Our leaders. Allah, please, everybody together. Together, please, my people. Allah, us together. Free. Allah, free. Let's go, people. Free. Jalal Muhammad. Free. Guys, free. Bakalagarba. Free. All political leaders. Free. Our leaders. Free. OMN media. OMN is the voice.
The voice. OMN is the voice. Voiceless people. Free.
All journalists. Let's go. Free.
All journalists. Free.
What do we want? Justice. I can't hear you guys. Repeat that. Please, answer. What do we want?
Justice.
What do we want?
No.
Together, guys. I'm so ready. Money and talk to money. What do we want?
Justice.
What do we want?
Justice.
When do we want it?
Now.
When do we want it?
Now.
When do we want it?
Now.
Black lives matter.
Black lives matter.
Let's go. Black lives
Oromo life matter. Black life matter. Awo amma furin kite da dabne jira. Dema. Amma sagale dabne.